Examples on simplex method. Okay, so first example, maximum z is equal to example use simplex method to solve LPP. Here LPP is given that maximum z is equal to 7x1 plus 5x2 subject to constraints are given. x1 plus 2x2 is less equal 6, then 4x1 plus 3x2 is less equal 12, and x1 and x2 are greater equal 0. Okay, so step first, how to solving this LPP by using simplex method. Okay, so first introduce slack variable and surplus variable. Okay, here all constants are less equal, therefore add only slack variable. Okay, s1 and s2 up to so on, and put their cost in objective function is 0. Okay, so step first, or firstly introduce slack variable s1. Here constants are, here two constants, therefore slack variable are 2. Okay, so adding two slack variable s1 and s2. Okay, s1 and s2, and putting their cost in objective function is 0. Okay, put the cost of this variable equal to 0 into objective function. Okay, putting their cost is 0 in objective function, that is here maximum z is equal to, here given constraint is maximum type. Okay, for simplex method to convert every LPP is maximum type. Okay, here objective function is already given that maximum type, so there is no need to convert maximization. Okay, and constants are also less equal type, and all bi's, this is b1, this is b2, all are also non-negative. Okay, so there is a no need to convert negative to positive. Okay, so therefore all bi's are positive, objective function is also maximum type, and all constants are also less equal type. Now to adding slack variable and surplus variable. Okay, so no any constraint is greater equal type, all constants are less equal type, so therefore add only slack variable in x1 plus 2x2 plus s1 is equal to 6. In this way, similarly add here slack variable, and in constant put their value is 1, and only put cost of this variable s1 and s2 put in objective function, their cost is put 0. Okay, that is 7x1 plus 5x2 plus 0 s1 plus 0 s2 in this way. And now constraint x1 plus 2x2 plus s1 is equal to 6, because this constraint is less equal type. If this constraint is greater equal type, then we are adding then we subtracting surplus variable. Okay, then we subtracting surplus variable, and their value is -1. That is, if this constraint is greater equal type, then surplus variable is x1 plus 2x2 minus s1. Okay, minus s1 is equal to 6 in this way. But here constraints are less equal type, so adding slack variable x1 plus 2x2 plus s1 is equal to 6. that is objective function. Objective function is already maximum type. There 7x1 plus 5x2 plus cost of this variable 0. Okay, 0s1 plus 0s2. Okay, 0s1 plus 0s2 subject to constraints are x1 plus 2x2 plus s1 is equal to 6. Okay, now we convert this inequality to standard form. Standard form is adding slack, surplus and artificial variable. Okay, we need then here only adding slack variable, and now to we convert inequality to equality. Then next constraint is 4x1 plus 3x2 plus s2 is equal to 12, and all variable x1, x2, s1 and s2 are all greater equal 0. Okay, now there is no need to write each example, but this is first example. So now to convert xb is equal to b inverse yb is equal to xb is equal to b inverse b. Okay, so for this the above write above this all equation write in matrix form. Write above constraints. The above constraint can be written as in matrix form. Can be written in matrix form. Okay, so ax is equal to b. Okay, in this way. So first coefficient is 1 2 1 2 1 0. Okay, then 4 3 s1 coefficient is 0 and s2 coefficient is 1. Okay, and there is x1 x2 s1 s2, this is x. Then b is value of b is 6 and 12. Okay, in this way 6 and 12. Now to here then xb is equal to then xb means b inverse b, that is here b is a matrix. B matrix is 1 0 0 1, and here small b matrix is 6 12. Okay, small b matrix is 6 12. So here you write in this way, and a matrix is 1 4 4 3. Okay, in this way. And xb. Okay, xb is a s1 and s2, that is added to slack variables. Okay, so in this way xb is equal to b inverse of their inverse is itself. Okay, 1 0 0 1, and value of b is 6 12. In this way xb is equal to 6 12, and which implies that value of xb is s1 s2 is equal to 6 12, and therefore s1 is equal to 6 and s2 is equal to 12. Okay, and now the coefficient of xb in z, coefficient of xb in z are 0 0, that is cb is coefficient of basic variable. cb means coefficient of basic variable are x1 and x2 are basic variable, so their value is cb coefficient of xb. Coefficient of basic variable, cb means coefficient of basic variable, and basic variable in the their coefficients must be 0 0 transpose. Okay, that is value of x1 and x2 are 0 0. Only x1 and x2, s1 is equal to 6 and s2 is equal to 12. This value. Now to find zj minus zj minus cj. Now we have to find zj minus cj. This is bracket. Why this is taking bracket? Because there is no need to written in each example. Okay, so there is only to your this is first example. So how to write xb is equal to b inverse b. So therefore this is a written. This is a no need to write in exam. Okay, so now firstly we add slack and surplus variable, then directly write take a simplex table to find zj minus cj. Okay, so now we have to calculate. Zj minus cj. Now we have to calculate zj minus cj. For this, how to calculate? For this we will draw simplex table. How to drawing simplex table? Here first column is cb. cb means coefficient of basic variable. This is cb. Then yb means here already given that yb. Okay, yb means coefficient of, this is x1 x2 up to so on. This is a yb, basic variable. Yb means only basic variable. Basic variables are here x1 and x2. Then next column is xb means coefficient of xb means coefficient of this is xb coefficient of basic variable, and basic variable coefficient are 6 and 12. Okay, in this way xb coefficient of xb means b inverse b. Okay, this suppose here b inverse b. Okay, then this first column, second, third, then put x1, coefficient of x1 in constraint, then coefficient of x2 in constraint. Here only two variable. Okay, then s1, then s2, and then xb divided by xj is equal to, in this way. Okay, and now here coefficient of z. Okay, coefficient of z. This is one column, one row from above table. Okay, in this way. Here cb, by simplex method, first we write all slack and surplus variable in coefficient of basic variable. Okay, so writing here basic variables are, our basic variable are s1 and s2. Okay, s1 and s2, coefficient of basic variable in objective function. What is value of objective function in basic? Here value cost of coefficient of basic variable is 0 0. Coefficient of basic variable are 0 0. Then value of xb is equal to bi. Their value of s1 and s2 are here this is a 6 and 12. 6 and 12 is called xb. Okay, that is RHS of constraint. This is a 6 and 12. then coefficient of x1, coefficient of x1 in first constraint, coefficient of x1 is 1 2 0 1. Okay, 1 2 0, sorry, 1 2 1 0, 1 2 1 0. Coefficient of first constraint x1 is 1, x2 is 2, x1 has coefficient is 1 and x2 has coefficient is 0, 1 2 1 0. Okay, similarly coefficient of x1 x2 s2 are 4 3 0 1, 4 3 0 1. Okay, and coefficient of x1 x2 s1 and s2 in objective function, their coefficients are 7 5 0 0. Okay, 7 5 0 0. Okay, this is the first simplex table. Okay, now we have to calculate zj minus cj. How to calculate zj minus cj? Zj minus cj can be calculated in the form of summation of cbi xi minus xi. Okay, summation of here zj minus cj, zj minus cj. How to calculate here? Zj minus cj can be calculated in the form of summation of cbi ybi minus xi. Okay, in this way, summation of cbi minus ybi minus xi. So calculating each part. Okay, here summation of cb into yb are 0 into 6 0, 0 into 12 0, minus 7, minus x1 is here minus 7, 0 0 minus 7, 0 minus 7 is minus 7, then this is multiplication of this, their summation. Okay, this is a summation of cbyb, this is a summation of cbyb. 0 6 0 into 6 plus 0 into 12, value is 0, minus xi means for first column x1, 0 minus 7 is minus 7, then 0 minus 5 is minus 5, then 0 minus 0 is 0. This is okay, their coefficient. Subtract this coefficient from summation of cbyb. Okay, then 0. Okay, now to find the pivot column or key column or key row. Okay, now to here how to choosing, then here maximum z is summation of cbyb is 0. Okay, maximum z is equal to 0. Here to choosing maximum, to choosing leading coefficient, so choose a most negative of column. Here most negative is minus 7 is a most negative column. Here minus 7 is a most negative cj minus zj. Okay, this is a key column, this is called key column. And now to find the key row, so how to finding key row? Key row has how to finding by using xb. Here column is x1, therefore xb divided by x1, then calculate all these and then select a list. Okay, select a smallest element in this. Okay, so here xb is a 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6. Then next is 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by x1 means 4, so their value is 3 is a this column, 3 column is a key, this is a key row because 3 is a less than 6. This is the smallest value of xb divided by x1, and therefore in this way this is key column, this is row, therefore this 4 is a leading element. Okay, this 4 is called leading element. So this is a, take a line in this way, this is a key row. Okay, in this way, in this way. Okay, this is our column. Firstly we write CB, YB, XB. CB means first we write all slack and surplus variable in this column. YB, then put their coefficient in objective function. Coefficient of cost of objective function of S1 is 0, S2 is 0. Okay, then XB means write RHS of RHS of B, RHS of constraint, that is 6, 12, whatever may be given. Okay, so write this, and here take coefficient of first constraint of x1, x2, s1, s2. Then similarly write all constraints. Okay, in this way, second constraint, coefficient of second constraint, coefficient of first constraint. Then we find the Zj minus Cj. How to finding Zj minus Zj minus Cj? How to finding? Here by using this formula. Now we calculate Zj minus Cj is equal to summation of Cb, summation of Cb xb minus xi, in this way. So for each column, summation of Cb minus xb is equal to 0, because 0 into 6 is equal to 0, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 0 minus xi means coefficient of z in objective function, coefficient of x1 in objective function, coefficient of x2 in objective function. So here coefficient of x1 in objective function is 7. So 0 minus 7 is minus 7. Similarly 0 minus 5 value is minus 5. Then 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. Okay, now to find the leading element or leading coefficient. So here all Zj minus Cj are greater or equal to 0, then this is a solution. But here Zj minus Cj are negative. Okay, Zj minus Cj are here given that negative. Okay, at least two Zj minus Cj are negative. So using this process again repeated. So firstly select a most negative Zj minus Cj, most negative. This is a 7 is a most negative element, and therefore select this is a key column. This is a key column, and then now to find the key row. For key row, how to selecting key row? Key row selecting the smallest element, smallest number. Okay, so here xb divided by xj how to choosing? Xj choosing a key column. Okay, key column here x1 is a key column. So xb divided by x1, and then find value. Xb is 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6, 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, and 3 is a less than 6. Therefore this is a key row. Okay, so this is key row and this is column, and therefore 4 is a leading element of this table. Okay, so this is 4 is leading element. Now this leading element is 1, then no need to convert. This leading element is 1. So here leading element is 4. So convert is this leading element by multiplying 1 by 4 in this all row. By multiplying 1 by 4 this all row, leading element convert 4 to 1. Okay, therefore 1 by 4 into 12 is equal to 3. Then 1 by 4 into 4 is equal to 1, and 3 by 4 here 1 by 4 in this way. Okay, and now to convert here s2 replace here replace. Now here replace replace s2 by x1. Now replace s2 by x1, and then in this way here here 4 is leading element. Here 4 is leading element. Okay, therefore now we have to convert. Now this convert leading element into 1. Now we have to convert leading element into unity. Okay, now we have to convert the leading element. Now we have to convert the leading element into unity, means to 1. Okay, unity means 1. Okay, by dividing its row. Okay, and by dividing its row by leading element itself, that is by dividing 4 by its row itself, leading element itself. Okay, in this way how to convert this, divide this row by 4 itself, and therefore this is a leading element is 1. Okay, that is to converting leading element by unity itself. Okay, and then making all coefficient or all other element, making all other elements in its column is to 0. Okay, so firstly here take this leading element to 1, convert this leading element is 1. So coefficient of z, then cb, yb, xb. Okay, and replace s2 by x1. Okay, then x1, x2, s1, s2. Okay, in this way. So here 0, 0, s1, s2. Okay, then this column is as it is, right, 2, 1, 0. For only this column, divide this column by 1 by 4 r2. Okay, 1 by 4 each, divide by 4 each row. So 12 into 4 is equal to 3. 4 into 4 1, then 3 by 4, then 0, then 1 by 4. Okay, so here multiply 1 by 4. Okay, multiplying 1 by 4 to each row. Okay, in this way. Now taking a replace x1 by s2. Okay, now next is therefore now taking coefficient of z are 7, 5, 0, 0. Okay, in this way coefficient of z cb, yb, xb, x1, here x1, x2, s1 and s2. Okay, so basic variables are s1 and x1, because x1 is a leading coefficient, leading column. So replace s2 by x1. So remove s2 and take x1. Okay, so here coefficient of x1 is 7 in objective function, their value is 0. xb is 6 and 3. Okay, xb is 6 and 3. Then coefficient of 1, 2, 1, 0, then 1, 3 by 4, 0, 1 by 4. Okay, now to convert making all other element in its column to 0, means above this is a key row, so above this is a this is 0 by subtracting. Now to making all other elements in its column to 0. Therefore operation, take a operation here, r1 minus r2. Okay, r1 minus r2. So again coefficient of z are cb, yb, exb, cb, yb, xb, then x1, then x2, then s1, then x2, then xb divided by xa, whatever. Okay, their coefficient is 7, 5, 0, 0. So xb is, yb is s1, x1, 0, 7. Okay, so taking operation 6 minus 3 is value 3. Take this row as it is, 3, 1, 3 by 4, 0, 1 by 4. So only operation on this first row, r1 minus r2. r1 is 6 minus 3, 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 3 by 4, 2 minus 3 by 4. Their value is 2 minus 3 by 4 means 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5 by 4. Then 1 minus 0 is 1 as it is. Then 0 minus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 4. Okay, now to calculate zj minus cj again. Zj minus cj, how to calculating? Summation of cb xb minus xi. Okay, so summation of cb minus cb xb is 21, that is maximum z. This is maximum z is equal to 21 minus xi. How to calculating here? 7 minus 7, 0. Then 7 minus 5 is 2. This is 7 minus cb minus cb, sorry, here cb minus cb minus xbi. Okay, cb minus xbi minus xi. Okay, sorry, cb means 0 into 0, 7 into 7, 7 into 1. This is only cb xb, but zj minus, how to calculating? Zj minus cj, how to calculating here? So multiply this cb into xbi. Okay, so multiply here, 0 into 0, 0, 7 into 7 minus 7 is 0, 0 into 5 by 4, 7 into 3 by 4. Okay, so this value is, putting this value is 0 plus 7 into 3 by 4 minus 5. So their value is 21 by 4 means 1 by 4. Okay, 21 by 4 minus 5. 21 by 4 minus 5 is equal to 1 by 4. In this way, cb into x1, 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, and here 7 by 4. Okay, so all zj minus cj, this is a zj minus cj, this all are zj minus cj, this column. Okay, so all are greater than 0, greater equal 0, and therefore this is a solution of our therefore since all zj minus cj are greater equal 0, and therefore this is an optimal solution. This is an optimal solution at which maximum z, value of maximum z is equal to summation of cbxb. Summation of cbxb is 0 into 3 plus 7 into 3 is 21 at point s1 is equal to 0 and x1 is equal to 7, that is x2 is equal to 0 and s2 is equal to 0, that is we don't need to this right, only x1 is equal to 7 and x2 is equal to 0. This is our solution. Okay, so this is very simple. These two tables are also written in the directly. So first we write this leading and direct we write this column. Direct, these two columns, these three columns are already direct write in one column, so no need to write each separately. First leading coefficient, write leading coefficient in this way. Okay, then direct to convert this column into 0 and take a replacing s2 by x1 in this way. So deleting, so three columns, and that is no need to write. Therefore here all zj minus cj are greater equal 0. Okay, so using this all zj minus cj are greater equal 0, and then if all zj minus cj greater equal 0, then initial basic feasible solution xb. Okay, xb is an optimal initial basic feasible solution. So therefore all zj minus cj are greater equal 0, and therefore this is an optimal solution. This is an optimal solution. Okay, therefore this is an optimal solution. Therefore maximum z is equal to xb. Solution of maximum z is equal to 7 cb, maximum z cb into xb. Cb is summation of cb xb is equal to 0 into 3 plus 7 into 3 is equal to 21, and at what point? At only xb is a optimal solution. Here x0 is not in basic variable, so therefore xb here in yb column x2 is not here, which implies that x2 has value is take a 0. Okay, so therefore at what value? x1 is equal to 3 and x2 is equal to 0. This is our optimal solution. Okay.